Let me tell you about the '69 Ford Mustang Mach 1. I just dragged out of retirement and slammed back into the spotlight. Under the hood, a 428 cube V8 that roars like thunder rolling through the valley, packing enough torque to twist the frame if you ain't careful. Every bolt, every gasket, every line, torn down and rebuilt with my own two hands, and a little help from the prettiest crew this side of Detroit, who never let me lose focus. That deep red paint is so slick it'll make your heart skip a beat, and those custom chrome accents, they catch the sun and throw it right back in your face like a challenge. Inside, I kept it classic but tossed in a few creature comforts, just enough to keep you grinning between burnouts. The exhaust rumble shakes the rafters, and the stance is pure attitude, low, wide, and ready to pounce on any street. This ain't just a car, it's a rolling work of art and a statement. Every detail screams old-school muscle. Every drive is a ticket to the wild side. Think your daily driver can keep up with this beast? Drop a comment and tell me what classic you want to see me resurrect next. This ain't for the faint of foot. You in?